Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? What's going on? Today video is going to be very fantastic for my Safemoon lowly brother holder, because I have one very special good news for Safemoon holder. But before I can start this Safemoon price prediction, I request you, my brother, to first of all see the market rate, to what's going on in the market. This time, if you can see here, the market rate is going down. Exactly, you can see here the Bitcoin and Ethereum, these two cryptocurrencies, especially man on the top of cryptocurrencies in the market, they are especially going down. So I think this time today market cap is in the loss. Let's see to what's going on in the Safemoon. I think I have one very special good news for Safemoon holder. Exactly, I have good news for Safemoon holder. So let's see. Before I get started this brand price prediction, I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABSTIC channel for latest updates and good news. Yes, I hope you please click the red button and also thumbs up. Okay, thanks for like and subscribe, guys. To end this video, I also tell you to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time, and what's going on in the future. Absolutely, what's upcoming, they going up or they going down. Exactly. So this video is going very branding, my brother. Don't miss any second of this video. First of all, if you can see here, this time the latest result, the latest chart is on. You can see here this time change occurred 3.51%. Oh my goodness, this is going absolutely, and I already show you at the start of this video to the crypto market today totally going down, my brother. This time Safemoon has gone up. Safemoon is in the moon. Absolutely, the name is moon, so they are going in the moon, my brother. Safemoon going up very fastly, and if you can see here the chart result, after a very small jump they take a very high jump, my brother. They going very fastly upward. So my friends, after a very bad dump, exactly every cryptocurrency is going up. So this is my tip to I follow in the last 3 years. Exactly, in the first 3 years I follow this trick in a crypto market, and I cannot lose in any crypto. Absolutely, this is very useful trick, my Safemoon holder brother. You can see here, absolutely, you can see here the last 24 hours they going up like a rocket. So they going in the moon, my brother. If you can see here, they going in the moon. You can see here and the chart result, if sometimes they going down, sometimes they're going up. You can see here, sometimes they go down and sometimes they're going up. So this process, you can see here, they going up like a rising, and they give you very good profit at the end of this month. Just wait for the end of this month. I hope you hold it, and just for 1 month I hope they give you very good profit and they make you millionaire, because this is non-stop moving upward. This is crazy cryptocurrency. Absolutely, they're moving up, just and just up. Okay, so please, I hope you understand what I talk to you, my friends. And if you have any information, need any guidance about Safemoon or any cryptocurrency, then please you personally message me or Instagram. Subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. And if you like this video, then please thumbs up, click the like button. I am very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very appreciated if you like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.